Lithium, the power of the future. Think about the phone you're holding right now, or that electric car gliding silently down the street. At the heart of them all lies a single metal, so light it can float on water, yet so powerful it can take you on a 500-kilometer journey. Lithium. Most of us haven't even heard its name. Yet modern life flows because of it. From Mars rovers to the phone in your pocket, from pacemakers to electric scooters. Just as titanium keeps planes in the air, lithium powers the energy age. So how did this white gold transform from an invisible mineral into one of the world's most valuable raw materials? Discovery. 200 years of silence. 1817. A Swedish chemist discovered an unknown element in a mineral sample. He named it after the Greek word for stone, lithos. But there was a problem. Isolating lithium was nearly impossible. Just like titanium remained hidden among other elements for centuries, lithium never exists in pure form in nature. Extracting it required special methods, tons of chemicals, extreme temperatures. For over a century, lithium remained nothing more than a curious specimen gathering dust in laboratories, until something changed in the 1970s. Production. The White Desert's golden secrets. In South America, 4,000 meters high in the Andes, there's a place called the Lithium Triangle. Bolivia, Chile, Argentina. This region holds 60% of the world's lithium reserves. But extracting lithium isn't like traditional mining. They pump brine from beneath salt lakes to the surface. Then they leave it to the sun. 12 to 18 months. Yes, a year and a half. Water evaporates, lithium concentrates. Then, through chemical processes, it's transformed into lithium carbonate. Just like titanium's purification through the Kroll process using chlorine and magnesium, lithium requires a delicate chemical balance. The slightest error can ruin the entire process. There's a reason for this difficulty. Lithium is extremely reactive. It explodes on contact with water. It ignites in air. Controlling it is like carrying a volcano in your pocket. Power. Why lithium? So why lithium and not other metals? The answer is simple: lightness. Lithium is the lightest metal in the universe. Just as titanium is as strong as steel but 45% lighter, lithium is unmatched in energy density. Imagine the energy needed to drive an electric car 500 kilometers. With old-fashioned lead-acid batteries, the battery pack would need to be heavier than the car itself. Lithium-ion batteries deliver power without the burden of weight. A Tesla battery contains over 7,000 tiny lithium cells, each one like a silent volcano. And it's not just cars. Your phone runs for 10 hours. Your laptop stays on all day. Pacemakers last 10 years. All thanks to lithium. Future. The cost of a revolution. But every superpower has a price. Extracting lithium requires massive amounts of water. In Chile's Atacama Desert, 65% of the region's freshwater goes to lithium mining. Plus, lithium batteries pose safety risks. Remember, a volcano in your pocket. If the battery is damaged, uncontrolled heating can begin. But science hasn't stopped. Right now, research is focused on solid-state batteries. If solid materials replace liquid electrolytes, batteries could be safer, longer-lasting, and faster charging. If this technology succeeds, electric aircraft, massive cargo ships, urban flying taxis, all could become possible. Closing the invisible heroes. Think about the phone in your hand right now, the car in your garage, the watch on your wrist. They all run on a metal that once seemed impossible. Like titanium, like tungsten, lithium is the extraordinary story behind the ordinary. If you enjoyed this story of white gold, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the story of ordinary things. In the next video, we'll uncover another extraordinary story behind the ordinary.